Okay guys, Big Slick here, and today we're going to solve a problem between Firefox and Bitdefender free antivirus. One of the problems that you get is that you fire up Firefox and you have a situation where almost every website that you visit, it says that your connection is not secure. And you will generally get a pop-up dialog, something similar to what you see here on the screen. And it happens for almost any website that uses SSL, which is most websites nowadays. And even whenever you fire up Firefox for the first time, you may get a message similar to this saying that you must close Firefox in order to install the Bitdefender root certificate. And the interesting thing is it doesn't matter whether you choose OK or cancel on this. Either way, when this problem develops, it's not going to solve your problem. You're still going to end up with this problem that you see on the screen. So we're going to show you how to solve this. First thing you will do is close out Firefox. Then you will open up your File Explorer and you will find the Bitdefender install directory. In this case, it's under Program Files, Bitdefender antivirus free. Then you will go to one of the subdirectories that says web, and under web you will find one that says mitm underscore cache, cache. You will click on that folder and you will find here a file that says fake-ca.crt. So you are going to right click on it and choose install certificate. Now in this case I already have the certificate installed, so I'm not going to go through the process, but all it'll say is store location, current user, or local machine. You always do it under the current user, and if you have multiple user accounts on your machine, Windows accounts, in other words, whenever you right click on Windows and you sign out, if you have multiple accounts, then you'll have to do this for each account, but it's not a big issue. So what you're going to do is just choose current user, hit next, and just choose all of the defaults. And that will add this certificate that did not install properly into Windows, and you will now have a properly working Firefox that whenever you fire it up, as I'll show you, you can view any SSL website properly. And that solves the problem. Anything else is not going to solve the problem. So for example, here's Google, and as you see, it loads correctly. No messages, nothing. So that's what you want. And that's all it takes to solve the problem. And I will tell you that the same solution will work on the regular Bitdefender antivirus. This is the free version that I'm showing you here. It'll work the exact same for the paid version, with the only exception that this folder, the mitm underscore cache, is under a different subfolder. It's not under the Bitdefender antivirus free, web, and then the folder. It's going to be under Bitdefender, but it's obviously not going to be the free version, so the name of the folder is different and the subfolder is different. But all you need to do is neb under each of these subfolders under your Bitdefender install directory and look for this folder, the mitm underscore cache, and then you will find that same certificate, the fake-ca.crt. That needs to be installed, and for some reason Bitdefender's installer is not installing it correctly. So it's very easy to solve. I showed you how to do it, and that will solve the problem. And again, if you're a more advanced Windows user and you're running multiple accounts, I mean, the average user probably only has one login account, and it's actually an administrator login, which is not ideal. You should have an administrator account and only log into that when you need to install or uninstall software. For everything else that you're doing, you should be using a standard user account. But the way this certificate works is you're going to install it in whatever account you are using. So if it's a standard user account, you will simply install it under the standard user account. And that will solve your problem, and you will have no more Bitdefender SSL Firefox problems. Thanks. Bye.